and welcome to Mathematics Made Easier channel. This is your online mathematics tutor, Comfort Amoako-Attah. Today, I'm going to take you through Surds. So as usual, pick your joters and come along with me as we go through today's class together. Great! Okay, before we come to Surds, let's remind ourselves on some of the perfect squares that we have. So, perfect square, examples of perfect squares. Alright, the first we'll talk about is square root of 4. And I believe you know what square root of 4 is. That is 2. Number 2, 9. That is also giving us 3. Then root 16. That is giving us 4. Square root of 25 is also giving us 5. The fifth example, square root of 36 is giving us 6. These are all examples of perfect squares that we have. 49 is giving us 7. Square root of 64 is giving us 8. Square root of 81 is giving us 9. Square root of 100 is giving us 10. I believe you are following. Good. We got number 9. So number 10. Square root of 121 is 11. Square root of 144 is 12. Square root of 169 is also 13. So you can go on and on and on, and you can list as many examples as you can. So I'll leave the rest for you. Then we come to the main business of the day, that is surds. So with this, we are going to use the perfect squares. We are going to use the perfect squares that we've listed and apply them. So the first example I will give you is square root of 27. When you get a question like this, you have to simplify it, that is, break it down, but always ensure you have a perfect square number inside. So with this question, square root of 27, let's see. I'll get two numbers that when I multiply, I'll get 27. But out of these two numbers, one should be a perfect square number. So what do you suggest will be the numbers? That is square root of 9 times 3. So simplifying this will give us square root of 9 times square root of 3. Now what is square root of 9? That is 3 times square root of 3. And this is giving us 3 roots 3. that is 3 root 3. So square root of 27 is giving us 3 root 3. Okay, let's pick another example. Example 2. Always ensure that you have a perfect square number inside. We are giving ourselves a square root of 32. So how do we solve this? And leave our answer in the set form. So with this, it's going to give you square root of 16 times 2. 16 is a perfect square. So breaking this one down will give us square root of 16 times square root of 2. What is square root of 16? That is 4. So 4 times square root of 2. So square root of 32 will give us 4 root 2. Good. This question, I would want you to solve it before we solve it together. Square root of 128. Simplify this. This is giving us square root of 128 is giving us, what are these two factors? That is square root of good 64 times 2. Always simplify it to the simplest form or to the basic form. So breaking this one down will give us 64, square root of 64 times square root of 2. And what is square root of 64? That is giving us 8 times square root of 2. So we can say that square root of 128 will give us 8 root 2. Excellent. Then the fourth example, before we come to the addition of sets. The fourth example is square root of 96. This is equal to square root of 16 times 6. And square root of 16 will give 4 times square root of 6. And so we are going to get 4 root 6. Perfect. Thank you so much for your time. In our next tutorial, we will treat the addition and subtraction of sets. So do not forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell to be the first to get an alert whenever I post a new video. Please do not forget to practice more and solve more questions under it. Till we meet again, please stay safe and learn hard. Bye.